Tesla Cybertruck Teardown looks at interior underbody. The Tesla Cybertruck has been delivering to initial customers over the last few months, giving many a chance to take a closer look at the automaker's manufacturing. In a pair of recent features, automotive manufacturing veteran Sandy Munro and his team take a look at the Cybertruck's interior and underbody to discuss some of Tesla's design decisions in building the electric vehicle EV. Earlier this month, Munro announced when he took delivery of his pair of Cybertruck units, adding that the team would be initiating a larger teardown series on the vehicles in the coming weeks. Since then, Munro has started the series, but hasn't yet begun tearing anything down quite yet. Instead, Munro Live debuted an intro video to the Cybertruck Teardown series just a little over a week ago, showing a quick look at the vehicle in a discussion between Sandy and fellow Munro and Associates engineer Jordan. In the first video shared this week, engineer Carl reviews the Cybertruck's interior. On Thursday, the Munro Live team also shared another video in which they hoisted a Tesla Cybertruck into the air to examine various underbody manufacturing elements, including the suspension, the battery pack, and more. As usual, Munro has fairly high praise for many of Tesla's structural design decisions, at one point suggesting that Tesla should be teaching welding classes to the rest of the planet, and adding that nobody can beat Tesla when it comes to material science. You can watch the first 3 Cybertruck Teardown videos from Sandy Munro below, including an introduction to the series, a review of the Cybertruck's interior, and a feature on the EV's underbody. Munro has generally been positive about Tesla's manufacturing decisions, with the company typically aligning with his expertise in lean manufacturing. Tesla has been ramping up Cybertruck production at Giga Texas, with over 300 units spotted in a recent drone flyover of the facility. Along with Sandy, several celebrities have been taking delivery of the Cybertruck since Tesla debuted the vehicle in late November. Recently, including Big Sean, Steve Aoki, Jay-Z and Beyoncé, Lady Gaga, and a number of others. Still, Tesla produces 1,000 Cybertrucks worth of 4,680 cells at Giga Texas last week. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.